empirical problems. For this problem, you'll need the data available in the file hprice1.dta. Create the interaction of square foot with bedrooms and see if there is a difference in the effect of square feet that depends on the number of bedrooms. Answer the following questions. A. Be sure to use the appropriate data command for interacted variables and compare your results if instead you manually created the interaction. B. What is the partial effect of square foot? C. Does house size affect house price? Set up the appropriate hypothesis to test this. 2. For this problem, use data in the file wage.dta. Suppose you want to explain wage in terms of female, married, experience, and education. Answer the following questions. A. Specify the regression to determine whether average wages for females and males are the same, conditional on experience and education levels. B. Generate predicted values wage hat using this model, as well as residuals you had. Hence, produce 4 scatter plots and 1 figure of wage hat, education, experience, and female against you had. Is there evidence of heteroscedasticity? If so, what should you do about it? C. Next, you interact the female dummy with experience and education to determine whether the effects of these variables differ. Test separate nulls that experience affects wages in the same way for males and females, and do the same for education. D. Without testing, show the differences in wages between males and females with 12 years of education and 5 years experience versus 16 years of education and 10 years experience. Explain what may be driving the differences. E. Test the joint hypothesis that the average wage is conditional on experience and education, and the effects of education and experience are the same for males and females. F. Focus instead on male workers only. Regress wages on experience and education. Do a residual plot of this regression against the EXPER. What do you see? G. To deal with nonlinearities, you decide to extend the regression with the variable EXPER entered as a square as well. That is, experience squared equals experience times experience. Use the lean-com command and evaluate the differences on wages between 5 years of experience versus 10. Suppose you had created experience squared as an interaction variable. Compare your results. H. Do a residual plot of the model augmented with the exp square variable. Are the results any better than when you estimated the linear model? Explain.